square root of 5 plus square root of 20 over square root of 45. So, paano ba i-solve ito? So, tingnan mo muna kung meron silang, kung pwede siyang i-simplify gamit ang factoring. So, ibig sabihin, hahanap tayo ng dalawang numbers na kung i-multiply mo, ay magre-result dito. So, dapat, yung dalawang numbers na yon, isa or dalawa, ay perfect square. So, yung square root of 5, so wala na siya, hindi siya pwedeng i-simplify by factoring. So, isusulat lang natin yan. So, plus, ang square root of 20, pwede siyang 4 times 5. Ang 4 ay perfect square. Over, ang square root of 45, pwede siyang 9 times 5. Diba? Yung 9 ay perfect square or merong square root. So, square root of 5 plus, so yung square root of 4 ay 2, itabi lang natin yung 5, over, yung square root of 9 ay 3, itabi din natin ang 5. So now, pwede natin i-add kung pareha silang, if they are like terms. So yung square root of 5 tapos yung 2 square root of 5, so pareha silang square root of 5, so pwede siyang i-add. So ito, understood yan na mayroon siyang 1 dito nakatabi. So 1 plus 2, that is 3, tapos kopyahin mo lang ang square root of 5. So, over 3 square root of 5. So, now, what do you think is the answer? 3 square root of 5 over 3 square root of 5. So, yung final answer natin dyan ay 1.